Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips into a bridge, hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 10 times ITH controlled movement and steady breathing. Bridge holds strengthen your pelvic floor, glutes and deep core muscles, helping improve pelvic stability and support your postpartum recovery. Place a soft block or pillow between your knees. Lift your hips into a bridge, gently squeeze the block, and hold for 5 seconds. Slowly lower back down and repeat. Squeezing the block activates the inner thigh muscles, which work together with the pelvic floor and deep core to improve pelvic stability and support postpartum recovery. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly straighten one leg, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times on the same leg, then switch and repeat 10 times on the other leg. This exercise strengthens your deep core muscles, improves pelvic stability, and supports better control of your pelvic floor during postpartum recovery. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your arms reaching overhead. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg, then return to the starting position. This exercise strengthens the deep core muscles, improves coordination, and helps build stability by encouraging your core and pelvic floor to work together. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your arms by your sides. Lift one knee toward your chest as you raise the same side arm overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat 10 times, then switch to the other side. This exercise improves coordination, strengthens the deep core muscles, and helps your pelvic floor work together with the muscles that support everyday movement during postpartum recovery. Lift your hips into a bridge position and keep them raised. Slowly bring your legs together, then spread them apart. Repeat the movement 10 times while keeping your hips lifted. This exercise strengthens the glutes, hips, and pelvic floor muscles while improving pelvic stability and control during postpartum recovery. Lie on your side with both knees bent. Keep your feet together and slowly lift your top knee, then lower it back down with control. Repeat 10 times. This exercise strengthens the hip and glute muscles, improves pelvic stability, and supports better control of the pelvic floor during postpartum recovery. Stay on your side with your bottom leg bent and your top leg straight. Slowly lift your top leg, then lower it back down with control. Repeat 10 times. This exercise strengthens the hip and glute muscles, while gently stretching the inner thigh. It also improves pelvic stability and supports balanced movement. Repeat both exercises 10 times on the other side.